Alright, today we're going to have some fun with another master lock. This is the M40XKAD. It's a 7 on their scale of protection. It has the best cut resistance, best weather resistance, and it's made of stainless steel, so it's rust protected, and it's got a lifetime guarantee. That's the lock. It's got 2 keys. See, it works good. And on the other side, it's got a 70mm width, 2 3/4 inches. It's got an octagonal, tough to cut, shrouded shackle, rust proof, covered keyway, key retaining, and it is made by the Master Lock Company LLC, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, USA. Made to exclusive Master Lock specifications in China. That's a disappointment. So here is the lock, and this lock practice today is brought to you by Tang, the drink of astronauts, preferred by the oldest astronaut, James T. Kirk. I think he was 90 years old a couple weeks ago when he went into space. And Tang is made by Kraft Heinz, located in Chicago, Illinois. So that's good. And this has a best used date by April of 21. So this is a little bit over, but it's still sealed. That's the sponsor for today. Here is the lock. I like to play with the master locks, especially with ones that have the covered keyway. This is a real easy one to get into. It's a wheel lock. But let's try our luck on this Master M40. Take it out of the package. I actually like these locks. I just wish they were a bit more secure. Okay, I'm going to use this little Z-bar as a turning tool on the core. Put a little pressure on it. And I'm going to be using this pick. Very simple little hook pick. And I'm going to be pressing down on the key, or the pins. I think there's 4 of them. And just give it a quick rake. Sometimes it works fast. And there we have it after about 30 seconds. So that wasn't too bad. But picking resistance is not really that good. So that is the Master M40XKAD, brought to you by Tang. And I think we'll give the Tang a little cowbell, made in USA. Knuckle bump.